Dear students, today in this video lecture, I will discuss about what is the firewall, type of firewall, and how firewall provide the security. So first we describe what is a firewall. It first point of firewall like that a choke point of control and monitoring. Interconnect network with different trust, imposes restriction and network services. Only authorized traffic is allowed. Auditing and controlling access, can implement alarm for abnormal behavior, provide NAT and uses monitoring, implement virtual private network using Internet Private Protocol security, must be immune the protection. So a firewall is a computer that sits between your internal network and rest of the time network attempt to prevent bad things from happening without preventing good things from happening. Some user call the security gateway. So firewall required, but some limitation of firewall like that cannot protect from attacks, bypass it. That is sneaker, net utility, modems, trusted organization, trusted services, etc. Cannot protect against internal threat, cannot protect against transfer of all virus infected program or files. So because use range of operating system and file types. So we discuss firewall network security like that because firewall is monitoring and control incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined rules. Some rules already defined in firewall. According these rules that deny and allow the traffic from this for in and out the firewall. So act like a barrier. Firewall act as like a barrier, like a host-based and network-based firewall. Suppose a trusted firewall provide a trusted network. Suppose a trusted network. Already network is trusted and work according to predefined in rule and regulation according to firewall, then permission is allowed the firewall. But suppose untrusted, any private external network, private network, want to access any data, yeah, input any data, then firewall check these unwanted accessing data. If these accessing is well defined according to the rule of the defined rule of the firewall, then allow give the permission of data, otherwise not provide the permission of data. So firewall are defined in two types like the packet filtering routing and drawback of packet filtering. According to packet filtering firewall, check IP header, TCP header, and works on network and transport layer. Can block IP address and full network can block the service of HTTP and FTP. So only four layer of SI metal work in the packet filtering firewall. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, and transport layer. Physical layer, session layer, and transport layer. Suppose following rule are defined. Rule number one. Source IP is 172.2.4.80. Source port any destination port. Then these site is blocked by the firewall if this is defined. But according to this, if provide the IP address 152.32.0.2, according to this rule, these network, any network which contain the network address 152.32 are blocked, not provide permission like that 152. log.32.1.2.4 all site are blocked, which is contain the network address 152 to 32. Now next, suppose destination 172.90 then block. Similarly, if any source port is 80, that port is blocked, and any destination port is 21 is blocked. This is define the rule of packet filtering in firewall, and not access, not permission give the by not permission give the by firewall. So firewall network security like that. Monitoring and central incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined rule. So act like a barrier and host based network based firewall. So application or proxy firewall work as a fifth layer of internet protocol, gateway internet, network firewall, check all IP address and according to rule and regulation. Other is proxy firewall is also check the web application, check other proxy details, and if it is authentic, then provide the application regarding web database and mail services. So firewall packet filtering is a simplest, fastest firewall component. Foundation any firewall system. Examine each IP packet, no context, and permit deny according to rules. Hence, restrict access to service port possible default policies. So that no expressly permitted is prohibited, and that is not expressly prohibited is permitted. Firewall packet filter work like that. Suppose private network security parameter are defined in this packet filtering, and any source want to access, if their parameter defined according to the rule, then permission is allowed, otherwise permission is denied. Firewall packet filter like that, block, allow. If our, our host like that star, Portis speak God, we don't trust these people. This type of rule defined in the firewall. Allow if our host like that, our GW port equal to 25 connection to our SMTP port, then allow. Similarly, in B part, action block and allow. Action allow like that to port number 25 connection their SMTP port. Allow our hosts if port number 25 and our packet their SMTP port. Allow if port 25 and flag acknowledges provide their replies. This is the definition format of definition defining the rule of in packet filtering. So attack on packet filtering, IP address spoofing, fake source address to be trusted, add filter on routed to block. Next, source routing attack, attacker set a route other than default, block source routed packets. And tiny fragments attack like that, split header into over several tiny packets, either discard and reassemble before the check. This type of attack possible in packet filters. So firewall stateful packet filtering, traditional packet filter do not examine higher layer context, matching return packet with outgoing flow. So stateful packet filter address this need to examine each IP packet in context, and keep track the client server session, check each packet validity belong to them. Hence are better able to detect the bogus packet out of the context. Firewall application level gateway or proxy have application specific gateway of the proxy already defined in the previous slide in a form of figure, has full access to protocol because user requests service from the proxy. Proxy validate request as a legal, then action request and return result to user can log audit traffic and application level. So need separate proxies for each service. Some services naturally support proxying, other are more problematic. So firewall application level gateway proxy like that, outside connection, outside host, inside host, and application level gateway, check telnet, FTP, SMTP, hypertext transfer protocol. These type of application check by gateway level and provide the service according to this. So circuit level gateway relays to TCP connection, imposes security by limiting which such connection are allowed. Once created, usually relay traffic without examining contents, typically used when trust internal user by allowing general outbound connections. SOC is commonly used. And firewall service level gateway like that, outside host, inside host. So firewall configuration like that, suppose packet filtering router are inbuilt connected here between internet and base station host, information server, private network host that provide the screened host firewall system single phone base station host. Here base station host, all messages from outside is accessed if it's authorized, and these authorization is filtered by the packet filter router and firewall. So access control gives system has identify a user, determine what resource they can access. General model is that access metric with subject active entity, user process, object passive entity, file are resources, access right way object can be accessed. So can decompose by columns as access control list, row as capability tickets. So it is the process of the firewall, and all firewall provide the security and security for the transmission of the data. Thank you.